See, when you believe in yourself, I personally think it's the most important thing any human being can have. It's the best quality anyone can have, believing in you. First, you gotta ask yourself, right? If you don't believe in yourself, you look in the mirror, you look at whoever it is you talk to, whoever you talk to, but deep down you don't believe in yourself. And whatever it is you want to do, whether it's getting through your exams, going to work, and looking for a promotion, playing basketball, whatever it is that you want to do in life, right? If you don't believe in yourself, how do you expect someone else to believe in you? Do you know what I mean? Like, it's, people can see it. Alright, people can see it, and I'm not saying believe in yourself because you know it's 100%, because no one ever really knows it's 100%. People will say to you they know. People will say to you, do you know what? I woke up one day and I knew I was going to be the best basketball player. No. There's what? X amount of players in the NBA. They all probably thought that at some point in life. They're not all the best. Do you mean? They're good enough. They're not all the best. Right? So my thing is, believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself, that's the first step. But believing in yourself allows you to strictly follow your dreams, right? Because when you believe in you and you believe I can achieve X, you're going to put a lot more effort in, right? And you're going to work a lot harder than you would have worked, because first you believe it. Do you know what I mean? It's the same way, like if you're working with someone or if you employ someone else, right? And you trust them, or you believe in their ability, or you believe in their potential, whatever it is, you're going to put in a lot more work into helping them achieve whatever it is that they're trying to achieve, as opposed to what you would do if you're kind of wary about it. Like, I mean, I'm not quite sure if they can do it, I'm not quite sure if you can, or if you're even good enough to do this, right? But if you look at someone and you're like, whoa, they've got raw potential, but they could be the best at X, whatever it is that you are talking about, right? When you wake up in the morning and your job is to help them achieve or reach their goal, you're going to go harder than you can go, because you believe in them. You genuinely do. Like, it's not something where you're like, maybe we'll make it, maybe we won't, I'm not quite sure, I don't know if they want to do it. You're going to go hard. You're going to go hard, and when you go hard, things will work. Do you know what I mean? At the very least, you'll get farther than you could ever get if you don't believe in yourself, right? It's that whole thing. You really got to remember, like, whoever it is that you look up to, everyone has self-doubts. You know what I mean? Like, at some point, you know, LeBron James or whoever it is, you wake up in the morning and you're like, mate, something creeps into your brain, right? And when that day comes, it's really about how you deal with that moment, right? No one's perfect. Like, you're going to do something and it will creep into your mind, and when it does creep into your mind, it's really just understanding that, okay, this is what this is, but I don't live here. This is not it. I believe in myself. I know I can come from X to Y to X. Whatever direction you're going in, I know I can do it. Do you know what I mean?